Hello everyone, my name is Geeta Somit from VVIT College. Today I am going to say about how can we optimize the data transfer using guided transmission media. This presentation will cover the various types of guided transmission media used for data transfer, including twisted pair, coaxial, and fiber optic cables. We will explore the advantages and disadvantages of each and provide the recommendations for optimizing data transfer. So one of the most used is nothing but the twisted pair cable. It is most commonly used guided transmission media. It consists of two copper wires twisted together, which helps to reduce the electromagnetic interface between them. Twisted pair cables are inexpensive and easy to install, but have limited bandwidth and distance capabilities. The second one is coaxial cable. Coaxial cable consists of a copper core surrounded by insulation and a braided metal shield and an outer jacket. It has higher bandwidth and longer distance capabilities than twisted pair cable, but it is more expensive and difficult to install when compared to a twisted pair cable. Uh, uh, According to security, also the coaxial cable will be surrounded by an insulation outer jacket. The third one is fiber optic cable. The fiber optic cable uses thin strands of glass or plastic to transmit data using light. It has the highest bandwidth and longest distance capabilities of all guided transmission media, but it is the most expensive and fragile due to it has the advantage like it can travel long distance and also it has the highest bandwidth. So as it uses electromagnetic radiation, uh, it is most expensive and also fragile when compared to other two guided transmission media. So what are the advantages of using guided transmission media? Guided transmission media is generally used to transmit the data from one media to another. So in a guided manner, uh, without losing the data. Guided transmission media provides a secure and reliable method of data transfer with less interference than wireless transmission. It also offers higher bandwidth and longer distance capabilities than wireless transmission. Let us see the disadvantages of guided transmission media. So guided transmission media can be more expensive and difficult to install than wireless transmission. It is also limited by the distance and bandwidth capabilities of specific type of cable used. So the only disadvantage is guided transmission media. It is difficult to install and also uh, data transmission bandwidth will be very limited, and we can't expand it to the necessary speed we needed. So these are about disadvantages of guided media. How can we optimize the data transfer using guided media? Generally, to optimize data transfer using guided media, it is important to choose appropriate type of cable based on the specific needs of network. Whether we need to use a twisted pair cable or coaxial cable or fiber optic cable based on the needs of the client or the network. It is also important to properly install and maintain the cables and to ensure the maximum throughput and also the performance of the network. So in this way, we can optimize the data transfer using this guided media. On conclusion, the guided media offers a secure, reliable method of data transfer with higher bandwidth and longer distance capabilities than wireless transmission. By choosing the appropriate type of cable and properly installing and maintaining it, data transfer can be optimized for maximum performance. Thank you, one and all.